What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, the turbos are here. Now, we are still waiting on the rest of the kit to come in from Hellhorse Performance so we can install the twin turbos onto the 2020 Mustang GT. But however, I told you guys that as soon as the turbos came in that I would unbox them, show them to you, go over all the specs. And you're probably asking yourself right now, well, what makes these turbos so special, one of a kind? I'm gonna go over all that right now. So we have one of the turbos right here. The other one is at the house. They are twins, so you only need to see one. So we're gonna open up the box, and I've had this box open. I've inspected everything to make sure everything looks good for Jeff from Hellhorse Performance. By the way, guys, if you go to Hellhorse Performance and buy some Go Fast goodies and enter discount code SpeedAddict731, you can save you guys some money. But head over there. He has a lot of parts from not only twin turbo kits, headers, cold air intakes, you name it. If you want it, he's got it. So go check him out over there at hellhorseperformance.com. These turbos are the oilless, water-cooled turbos. I did not get the air-cooled like Jack. I wanted the water-cooled turbos. Right here, it just talks about the, you know, at 3,000 miles, apply 7 pumps of the comp turbo grease for the mid-mount setup, which is what we have, guys. We are running the Hellhorse mid-mount. Not really a low mount, they're more of a mid mount. If you've seen Xander's or Determined Veterans videos, how good they tuck up. Main reason it made me want to go with this kit, one is I don't have to worry about oil lines. Two is I don't have to worry about anything from the road hitting turbos, because the turbos tuck up so high that if anything hits the turbos and hurts the turbos, it's going to hurt the oil pan and the transmission pan. So I'm in big trouble as it is anyway. So I don't really see anything like that happening. All right, so right here we have the product certification from Comp Turbo, and then on the back we have the report when everything was done to the turbo. Kind of goes over everything. Then right here we have the specs for the turbo. I'll throw a better picture up right here. But as you see, this right here, the 6365 is what makes these turbos so unique. If you go on the Comp Turbo's website right now, all they have available to sell you is 6265s or 6467s. Now 6467s are what Xander and Determined Veteran both run. I wanted something a little different. I reached out to Jeff when we were talking about the turbo kit, and I said I really don't want to go with the 6467s. I want something that spools a little quicker, and I know the 6265s fit into that category. And you know, he asked me, he said, what if I can get you something unique, something kind of in the middle? You can have kind of the best of both worlds. So he calls Comp Turbo, he talks to them, and what they come back with is 6365 turbos. Now these are the same triplex ceramic ball bearing turbos that Determined Veteran and Xander are running. However, there is another part of this that is different besides the 6365s. So we're going to unbox the turbo and get it out. And guys, we're using the head mount. Let me know how you like it. I wanted to use that so I can actually handle the turbo and show you guys. So as you can see, here's the front of the turbo. And if you watch Determined Veterans video, this color is unique to Hellhorse Performance. They are using this color on all their turbos. If you look right here, here's the grease fitting that you will apply the grease to. Every 3,000 miles, put 7 pumps of grease in and you're good to go. Here is the water ports for the coolant to flow through to cool the bearings. Now here is another thing that's different between my turbos and Xander's and Determined Veterans is, as of April the 16th, Comp Turbo introduced a new turbine design. Now, I'm gonna kind of read off what they said about the turbine design from their Instagram post. All right, guys, so this is straight off of their Instagram. I'm gonna read it off because it explains a lot more than I can explain it for you guys about the turbine wheel. Comp Turbo Technology announces availability of new CTR high flow turbine wheel technology. The CTR turbine wheels are 25% lower inertia, leading to faster rotor acceleration. The slim hub and the thin blade design makes this wheel unique, while the design feature maximizes the flow capacity, increasing it by 30% more than the prior GT style turbine wheel. The Comp Turbo CTR high flow turbine wheels have minimal leaving velocity due to longer surface blade length, thus leaving losses are minimized which leads to higher turbine efficiency and greater flow range than available turbine wheels in the industry. CTR turbine wheels are designed where a high flow exhaust capability is required and have minimal leaving gas velocity that increases turbine efficiency. So guys, basically this setup, it's 25% lower inertia, it's lighter, it's gonna spool up faster. I was talking to Jeff when we was talking about getting the turbos, and when I told him I wanted to spool up faster, you know, he called me back about custom turbo size. He said one thing that Comp Turbo told him is that even if I ran the 64, 67 setup like Xander's running, these turbos will spool up faster due to the new design of the turbine wheel. So guys, I'm highly looking forward to putting these on the car and seeing what we can do going down the track. Last turbo car that I owned was a MK3 Supra, which I absolutely love. I love turbos, but I've been running superchargers for a while with the 17 and the GT500. I've also had an 03 Cobra that was on the channel for a little while. But guys, I'm absolutely looking forward to going back turbo. I have not had a turbo car since 2008, last time I had a turbo car. So highly looking forward to it. All right guys, I cannot wait to get the twin turbo kit on the car. I absolutely cannot wait. And of course, you know, I'm gonna bring you guys all the content from the installation to the dyno and all the shenanigans that take place after that. You know that I'll be at drag strips all over the place running that car. So it's gonna be a blast. I cannot wait. But guys, real quick, something I wanna go over with you. If you notice, I'm in this shop, and if you've seen the video where I put the cams and the oil pump gears in the 18 Mustang GT, it was in this shop. Now, we are going to be working out of this shop on the side, basically doing side jobs, guys. I'm wanting to work up to have my own shop. So a lot of you have asked me in the past 2 years that I've been doing YouTube. For example, I need a set of oil pump gears put in. Could I bring the car to you and you put them in, and so forth and so forth. But I've not had a shop to work out of to be able to do that type of work. Yes, we have Dover's, but Dover is so busy with the calorie swap stuff, I can't take in jobs and work out of his shop. So I got with a friend of mine who runs Proline window tint here in Jackson, Tennessee. That's where we're at right now. So guys, really quick, if you need your windows tinted and you're in the West Tennessee area, hit him up. He's the only one that's touched my cars for 20 years now, and the only one I trust, and he does an excellent job. And I have very high standards, guys. So if I tell you that he does great work, he does great work. Check him out, Proline window tint. But he has a lift inside of his tent shop. When I expressed to him that I want to start building up, doing side work, and eventually hopefully lead into my own shop, he offered me to be able to use this shop to start doing work out of, guys. So we're going to be doing oil pump gears, headers, whatever you guys or any people around the area come to me with installation. That's what we're going to be doing. Nick's car, the one we put the cams and the oil pump gears and everything, his car was the first one to come through this shop. A lot of you have asked me in the past, when am I going to start opening up a shop? This is not really me opening up a shop. However, I am taking work now on the side. Yes, between YouTube, my full-time job at the dealership, and everything else, I'm going to be tired and exhausted. But if you don't go after your dreams and chase them, they don't happen, guys. So that's what we're doing. We're going to see where it goes. If nothing else, it's extra money on the side to help build the car, right? But anyway, guys, I've got some footage that I was not able to put in my last video when we was out at Jake's drag strip this last Saturday. I know you guys like watching other cars besides mine go down a drag strip, so I'm gonna throw that footage in right here, and then that's gonna be it for this video, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.